All right, let's get this Black Shark 5 Pro screen replacement rolling. Got my tools, got the replacement screen, and here's the phone showing that bright white glitchy LCD. Looks just like a broken TV. First step, we'll pop off the back cover with this thin aluminum tool. Gotta be careful not to scratch anything. Let's power this on and see if it's really an LCD issue. Looks fine at first, but there it is. The screen's flickering white and green when it powers off. Yep, LCD needs replacing. Now I'll start unscrewing everything inside and remove the shiny metal cover to get deeper access. Disconnecting components. Moving on to the antennas, I'll unscrew and start disconnecting all the flex cables. Gotta be gentle here to avoid any extra damage. Next, out comes the SIM card and tray, along with these black and white cables. These connect the top and bottom boards and ensure signal stability. Testing the new LCD. Before securing, let's plug in the new LCD and make sure it's working right. All right, looks good. Powering down again so we can proceed. Prepping the new LCD. Time to tackle the old screen. Using the same thin tool, I carefully wedge it under the LCD, giving it a few sprays of Falcon 530 electronic cleaner to loosen up that factory adhesive. Nice and easy, prying it up bit by bit with a little more spray as needed. With the screen off, I'll clean up any leftover glue so there's no interference with the new screen. A clean setup makes a huge difference. For the stubborn bits, I'll use some thinner to make sure it's spotless. Applying a layer of T7000 adhesive along the frame, then positioning the new LCD carefully onto the fresh glue. I'll wrap a few rubber bands around it to keep it snug while the glue sets. Let's put everything back in place, starting with the lower board and screws, then reconnecting all those flex cables and the antennas. I'll secure the antennas, screws, and the metal bracket back on top, just like before. With every screw back in, let's power it up to make sure everything's working smoothly. Perfect. Now, to pop the back cover on. We're almost done. A little adhesive around the back cover, reinsert the SIM card, everything's running like new, all set. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more in-depth, step-by-step guides on all things tech. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.